Hello, eighth graders. Today I'm making a video to talk to you about a project that has been part of Valley Middle's culture for over 30 years, and that's the Adopt a Country project. If you've had older brothers or sisters that have gone through Valley Middle, you probably remember them doing different things for a country, making a meal, making a flag, going to a restaurant. Well, we're going to continue that. But I will tell you this, it's going to look a little bit different this year, just due to the fact that we are in hybrid, due to the fact that we might be at a stay-at-home order at some point in the year, and due to the fact that, well, things are just different than the times that we're currently in. So today, the purpose of the video is to talk through how do we choose a country for this project? How does the selection process work? So today, then, you're going to start by looking at the instructions, which you are going to be putting into Notability. Again, go back and look at the week's instructions, follow the step-by-step order, and it will tell you exactly what to do. Let's start with the instructions. All right, as I open them up today, here we go. Since it's not possible to cover all the countries in a single course, you will be choosing a country that you will study for the entire year. It will be your responsibility to learn as much as you can about the people, politics, and geography of your country. A lot of people like this because, as you can see, it's your choice. Throughout the year, there'll be different projects and assignments related to your Adopt a Country. Therefore, it is important that you choose the country that you are really interested in. You may choose any country in the world, and there are over 190 countries, but you cannot choose the United States and Canada. The reason being is that's what your teacher gets to study. Plus, we want to push you a little bit and study a culture you may not be familiar with. The only catch is this. Only one person in each cohort can have the same country. So today your task is this. You are going to be brainstorming a list of at least 10 different countries that you want to study. You are going to be taking this document, and you know this from the instructions for the week. Please put this in Notability. Come up with your list of 10. Once you are done with your list, then you are going to be using the database Culturegrams just simply to read some information about those countries. Mr. Gallagher has put together a video on how Culturegrams works. So please watch that so you can see exactly where to find that database. Then, on Friday, you are going to be selecting your country. On Friday, a document will open in Schoology where it will be your job to put your country by your class period. So, for example, if you're in my period 1, either A, B, or C, there will be a document here with your name, and you are simply going to then go through and you will type in your country. I'm going to use Olivia as an example. All right, if she chooses Brazil, she will type in Brazil. And what that means is nobody else can choose Brazil. Now, this is why we have a list of 10. Choose a diverse list of countries. My advice to you, based on many years of teaching this, do not choose all European countries. Choose a few countries from each continent. And if you do that, the odds are you are going to get one of the top 10 countries you want to study. Your teachers will be going through your list to make sure that nothing is duplicated. And remember, since this is a Google document we're using, we can tell who put their name, their country by their name first. So if we have any duplicates, we can tell and then have that person change their country. I think you'll enjoy the project. We're going to be working on something with this next week. All right, you're going to continue this on Friday as well with an assignment. So again, keep up with the weeks, keep up with the instructions for the week, and this is going to be a great experience for you to learn about a different country on the planet. Thank you.